Hi friends, I hope you guys are doing good. I'm having a little cough and cold, so excuse me for my bad voice. In this video, we are going to talk about how exactly you can disable the comments in WordPress without any plugin. So you can see here there is a hello world post which is there, and by default there is a leave a comment below it which is coming here. So if you want to do this for individual posts, it's very easy. One method is you can just click on edit post, and you can go inside the panel, and there you will have an option to disable comments individually. So here we have got a Gutenberg editor, and here on the right hand side there is a settings button which is there. So I'll click on the settings button here, and if I just scroll down here, we can see there's something called as discussion. Okay, and here we can disable allow comments and allow ping back tracks. So once I update this, I go back to the blog, and we can see the comments are closed messages coming up here. Let me add one more blog post and see if we are getting comments there disabled there as well or not. So mostly we will not get it disabled there because we have individually selected it in this specific post itself. So this is comments testing, and I'll just copy paste the same thing here. I'll publish it. Now I can click on view post. Here we are getting the comments. So let us see how we can globally disable comments from WordPress blog post. So to globally disable the comments, what we will have to do, we'll just go to the dashboard here. Here we'll scroll down to the settings tab. So here we can see we have got the settings tab here, and under that we will click on the discussion tab. Now once you click on the discussion tab, we can see default post settings, attempt to not notify any blog links to from the post, allow link notification, allow people to submit the comments on the new post. Okay, now individual post may override these settings. Change here will only be applied to the new post. Okay, so I'll just deselect this, allow people to submit comments on new post. Okay, email me whenever somebody is. So if you don't want the email notification from the users, you can deselect this also. Okay, so you'll not get emails. Manually approved. Okay, so i- this is if you want people to you want all the comments to be manually approved, you can select this. Okay, comment must have previously approved comments. Okay, comment author must have previously approved comment. So if you are not selecting this, and if the user already has one comment which is approved, his comment will automatically be approved. So we will just go down here, save the settings. Now I'll just create a new post. I'll say it, I'll call it as new post comment testing. We'll copy paste this here, publish it again, publish it. We'll just view the post. Okay, and we can see there is no comment option which is coming out here. Okay, let us see how it affects our old post. Okay, we are still able to see the comments here. So I think we will this will be applicable to all the new posts. So in case if you already have a blog, and you have got some articles previously published, you will need to bulk edit them for the comment disabling setting. Okay, so let's just see how it works. So we'll just go to all posts. I'll just close these tabs now, and we'll select all the posts that have been published. There's one post in draft. Okay, and we will select bulk edit action. We'll just click on edit and we'll select apply, and here we can select do not allow. So basically, when we select do not allow, it will disable the comments from the posts that have already been published. So you can do two settings. One is uh, the global setting for the new post from your settings to discussions, and second is by selecting all the old posts, you can bulk deactivate the comments on them. So here the comment box has gone. That's all for this video. See you with more in the next one.